What's happening, y'all? It's opening weekend of youth season for turkeys here in Florida. And Chris and me and Fawn and his little boy went this morning. We heard one turkey gobble one time in the spot we were at. So we waited till about 9 o'clock just to make sure the turkeys weren't going to come to the field to warm up. We're going to try a different spot. This is where Fawn killed that one last year. And Chris killed that one first of the year last year that jumped on the Jake. Well, we're going to see if we can strike something up and sit on this spot for a little while. That one on the far left's got a big old body. Hello, toast, man.
Sounds like a turkey.
Did you hear that?
So I ain't heard nothing.
Did you just hear that, though?
That's a turkey.
That's the Jake.
Coming that way. Do we need a swallow? Do we need a swallow?
I don't know. He may walk right out here and he'll be able to shoot this way. That's the turkey up in here.
Further back in there.
He's straight behind us, ain't it? It's a Jake, ain't it? It's gotta be a Jake.
He sounds good.
Sounds like a real gobble to you.
Yeah.
Sounds like a Jake, man.
Go.
Ah, it's a gobble. It's like a half gobble. We just gonna have to sit and wait him out. We can't keep calling to him. Let's see if he'll break and come.
I think he's about right over here.
He's straight in behind you, ain't he? moving that way. We're gonna run down that road.
You know, you can go down there.
Huh?
You can go down there and everybody can fit under there.
We can't go down there. He might can see us. We're pretty close. Same spot.
Why does my stomach make these weird sounds?
I see him, Chris. He's straight ahead of me. He's coming up the hill. He's coming to us. He's moving to the left in front of y'all.
How far?
40 yards. He's still falling. Oh, he's close. Y'all see him yet? Y'all see the turkey moving through there?
You killed him.
Get him!
He's moving.
You go, boy. Good shot, Case. I told you it sounded like a J. I didn't hear him run or nothing. I was like, damn, what happened?
You didn't see him?
Yeah, I could see him. I couldn't get him on camera. He's behind trees to me. I got pieces of him going through there.
I couldn't wait though.
Go, buddy.
I couldn't wait though.
No, shoot him.
He's coming running. He's coming right to him.
I'm talking about, he was coming straight up right here to us. I said, I seen him. I don't know if you can tell.
Yeah, he was moving right to left in front of me.
I'm not sure he's dead.
He died too close.
What's his beard look like? Barely got one.
No, see it?
Yeah. He's a goblin little turd though, wasn't he?
Yeah, he sounded good. Heck
I
yeah,
don't know.
guys. Get a turkey.
Turkey titties. Turkey titties for supper.
I'm proud of you, buddy. That was a good shot.
Yeah, that's about 30 yards.
Yeah, that's the tree we was on right there. You see
That
it?
one?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe 25. Perfect.
He come right out here. So I
That
seen him.
scratching got him.
Yeah.
When we hushed and went scratching, son, he couldn't stand it.
Yeah, he come right through that way. And then I said, Case, get ready.
Nah, I saw him over here.
Well, I seen him, a flash of him over there.
Yeah.
And
And then he come down and I guess come up right
he
here.
just stopped right here.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Oh, man. I'm proud of you, baby. You want to check him out?
Yeah.
Let's look at him.
Your turn, Fawn. I wish we were off
Yeah,
tomorrow.
bad boy. You gonna hold his feather?
Yeah.
Hold him up.
Son,
Case's first turkey. He's 7 years old. We've been practicing and finally made it happen today. He went with Fawn when he was 5, and she killed her first turkey. And now he's big enough now where he can shoot his own 20 gauge.
yep. Got him.
I'm so proud of you, son. That's a good shot.
Folded him up. He just went dead still. I was like, dang, what happened?
No, I'm talking about he hit that.
Yep.
And that was it. And then Case, I said, when he was coming out, I said, Case, you seen him? He said, yeah, Daddy. I said, he said, oh yeah, there he is. I said, he got on him. I said, all right. I said, when he come up, he was perfect opening right here. You
Yeah.
see the tree.
Uh-huh.
And then I said, you better get him now before he sees something he don't like.
Let's see. Chris was sitting right by that tree.
Yeah.
And I was over there. Which I could see the turkey going through there, but I couldn't see him when he shot him.
Sorry about the footage.
Yeah.
When you got these youngins, you got to take a shot when you get them.
Yep. You gotta do what you gotta do. You can't let him get away because that's his first turkey.
Yep.
You don't pass up first turkeys.
Dang right. You got little bitty spurs on him.
He thought he was something out here hollering and stuff.
Ooh.
You know, I wonder if he come up that road and saw that Jake decoy and eased on back down.
Yeah. I said, I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, I ain't fighting today. I'm not a fighter.
Yeah, when I started scratching, son, he gobbled and I was like, yeah, he's coming. We got him over.
He couldn't handle that scratching.
You gonna take him out?
No, I'll tie him on.
You gonna tie him up and hold the string?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll tie him up. We'll make a. You've been watching too much YouTube.
You won't put him on the shoulder, though.
Yeah. You've been watching too much YouTube.
Dang, that 20 gauge was loud. It scared me. I guess because it's such a short barrel. Was it loud to you?
Scaredy cat. Who's the scaredy cat?
It didn't scare me.
Yeah.
I was just like, dang, and he's shooting a 12 gauge?
It was perfect because it was like perfect sit on my leg, and
Yeah.
as soon as he come out this open, he come up right here. As soon as he got right here, boom! Which I might have shot.
Oh, I wonder if there was two, to be
I
honest.
shot him right here.
I didn't see nothing else take off.
I didn't either, but
Did you hear that little?
at one time,
Did you hear that little putting? Yeah.
that was the turkey that went that way, and I assume it looped around and come back to you. But I saw a big old redhead coming through here when I told you I see him coming.
Yeah.
I mean, it was a big old redhead.
I don't know. He might have been.
The gobbler may have just not been gobbling much as him.
I got another rope.
I don't know.
I don't care.
Yeah, I don't care either.
We accomplished our youth weekend mission. We only had one day to hunt, and we got one turkey.
It was terrible yesterday.
Now you got to figure out how to claim him on that app so he's legal.
Yeah, we don't really no problem. Casey's already got an ID.
For Florida?
Yeah.
How you do that?
I had to call him,
I'm gonna have to get her one.
and then
You gotta tie it back around to his neck. If you're gonna make him a shoulder
I
horn.
was gonna get him some pictures out there in the open
Yeah.
from my gun. Get your gun, son.
Okay.
Look
So,
Hey, we gonna wrap it up. Good job, Case. Good job, Chris. We all had a good time.
had a good
Fawn,
time.
you were good and still and quiet. So everybody did their part. We're gonna walk out of here with a turkey. Okay.